Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and of course, Happy New Year. Let's start with a quick question. Have you ever wanted to learn how to trade but have been put off by extortionate course fees on monthly subscriptions? Well, we have the solution for you, and that is, drumroll please, the 365 Days of Forex Series. In this series, we'll be publishing 3 videos a week until we've given out all of our trading knowledge completely free here on YouTube. There won't be any upsells, and there won't be anything extra that you aren't being given that you've got to pay for. Just high quality education so that you can learn how to trade completely for free. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get into more detail about the 365 Days of Forex series. So you're probably wondering, why are we doing the 365 Days of Forex series if we aren't getting paid? Well, we want to bring a refreshing approach to the trading industry and not fall in the category of charlatan educators who are living their lifestyles on the back of other traders, paying their monthly subscriptions and buying their courses. Because the top and bottom of it is, we don't actually need to make money from beginners, because believe it or not, we actually make money from trading, as well as our other longer term investments that we've got through our trading. As well as this, it's become common practice for those companies who were previously large signal providers to quickly jump ship and start flying the flag for trading education, whilst essentially just repackaging baby pips into an even less enjoyable format than it's already in. I also thought, being a bit of a nerd, we need to look at the actual stats of how many people are going to ever be able to use this information, or in fact anyone's information that they provide, to make any money within the financial markets. Because the harsh reality is, you probably won't. If only around 1 to 5% of traders actually manage to make a consistent income within the markets, then it really shows that around 99% of people buying courses are never going to see a return on that investment. And whilst I know you've got to invest in yourself and all that nonsense, you do need to actually look at the risk-reward ratio of what you're getting yourself into and the stats that you're actually up against. Where this differs is the 365 Days of Forex series is essentially a free course that you can take online for free. All you're really giving up is your time, which at the end of the day doesn't have any real monetary cost if you're going to buy a course and take the course anyway. So now we hopefully have a bit of your interest. Let's run through how the series will be delivered. We want to keep it super simple with the schedule and get out as much content to you guys as quickly as possible. So we're committing to a Monday, Wednesday and Friday upload schedule, with uploads being most likely around 6:15 in the evening. During the earlier parts of the series, we're going to be running through some of the more basic principles, and as we progress through the series, we'll be given breakdowns on the exact trading strategy that we use within the markets. We also have interviews planned with different traders, where you'll be able to gain insight into how different people see the financial markets. So with all that in mind, there is probably one thing left to say, and that is of course, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, because we need to know if you're looking forward to seeing the rest of this series roll out. In the meantime, check out the rest of the videos on the channel and hit that notification bell so you get informed when we upload the second episode of the 365 Days of Forex series on Wednesday. With all that in mind guys, cheers and I will see you in the next one.